a long time coming, a long time running. Niggas say I'm nothing, but niggas think I'm something. Niggas bleed, niggas die all over the vest though. Niggas don't understand, I don't carry no vest though. But I'm the sickest nigga I carry in sex though. And boys gotta speak cause you know how they flow. How that through your body, I'ma get somebody body when these niggas talking shit. I'ma have to get them lottie-dottie. Like my name is Slick Rick, but I ain't slick though. Niggas say I'm sick, but niggas know how I go. Got the sickest flow, you can edit it on Cubase. Niggas say I'm sack, so I get them out of you face. Cause you face me in a battle, you wanna battle me. Treat me like an infant dog, you can't even rattle me. Treat me like a cattle, you wanna play me, you can't cattle me. Niggas say I'm sick, so why you say he tattling? But he ain't gon' tell any nigga to tattle me.